Speech is the faculty of producing articulated sounds. When they are linked together, these sounds form language. The faculty of speech calls on several parts of the body. The brain commands the lungs to expel part of the air that they contain. The air rises through the trachea to the larynx, a cartilaginous canal partially obstructed by the vocal cords. The vocal cords are bands of muscle tissue, capable of moving toward and away from each other. When the vocal cords are close together, the pressure exerted by air from the lungs makes them vibrate, and this produces a sound. This sound is transformed by the shape of the cavities of the pharynx, nose, and mouth to form a unique sound. Each sound corresponds to a single element of language. The combination of these elements enables us to build words.
Talk about the breathing in the organs of the speech. Respiration is about air. There we need to produce a pressure and vibration in this part and make a sound. Respiration is the body cycling, intake the air and exhalation of the air. And in the diagram there is the large and the flat muscle behind the lungs and drums. This causes the volume within the lungs to expand the air for make a sound, go down to the trachea, the larynx, and the bronchi, and finally the lungs. In this process, we have 4 groups of the parts of the breathing. The first one is the pulmonary system. In this part, we have the trachea, the bronchi, and the lungs. The second one, we have the chest wall. There is the vertebral column, the rib cage, the pectoral, and the pelvis rib. The third is the major and miniothoracic muscles. There is the diaphragm, pectoral, external, and internal intercostals. And finally, we have the abdominal muscle, that is the rectus abdominis, external and internal abdominis, that is in this part.
Breathing organ is divided in 3 parts. The first part is breathing organs, the second is phonation organs, and the next one is articulation organs. There are the vocal cords. They are 2 twin muscles similar to the lips. They are located inside of the glottal region in this area. One on the function of the larynx is the phonation. Phonation is the process in which the air that goes from the windpipe passes to the vocal cords produce sounds. The vocal cords are important in this process because they produce vibration. In the case of the lungs and the rib cage, they give the air that is necessary for the vocal cords to produce vibration. The glottal is the most important part of the phonation organs, since it allows the air to go in and out, and it determines of the characteristics of a speech sound of a person.
About the articulation. It is the process of modifying the restraint by the various articulators. The articulators are 1. Lips. Bilabial and labiodental consonants are formed directly by the lips, like the consonants M, P, B, and W. Second, teeth. There are 2 types of teeth, deciduous and permanent teeth. It is important for the production of phonemes. Labiodental and dental consonants are formed directly by the teeth. For example, R, B, and C. 3. Sound. It is important for its flexibility and its capacity to compensate for other structural problems. The thumb is divided in 4. Teeth, blade, front, and back. 4. Hard palate. It is important for the resonance. Numerous consonants are formed directly by the teeth using alveolar, posalveolar, and bilateral area. 4. Subpalate. The velar consonants are formed using the role of the velar in the articulation, like the consonants G and K. The next is the gloris. It is important for the production of gloral sounds and the differentiating between voice and voiceless sounds. And finally, the muscles. The muscles are organized into muscle groups that are important for the articulator.
Beat, bends, boy, budge, cease, chip, chops, coat, coil, coin, coo, cook, found.
Okay, now let's talk about the process of articulation. The process of articulation involves velopharyngeal functioning and torsion wing. Understanding the concept of velopharyngeal closure is accomplished by the movement of the velum at the level of the superior constrict backward and upward to meet the back of the pharynx. The movement of the velum is used in the language for the production of phonics, except in the example, like M, N, and N. Finally, I talk about active and passive articulators. The active articulators are those movables of the vocal tract that participate in the production of the speech, and passive articulators are relatively stationary of the vocal tract.